as a celebrity, paano mo ba win-away yung mga things na dapat i-post mo sa social media accounts mo? And ano ba yung dapat yung mga hindi?
You know what? For me, as a person and as a celebrity, I have a social media, I have social responsibility to increase awareness on how to stop cyberbullying, especially sa mga kabataan ngayon. And you know, I think as far as I know, we have like an act lang for cyberbullying. We don't have law yet. So I hope and I pray that in the future our lawmakers will look into it. Sana magkaroon tayo ng law about cyberbullying kasi palala naman palala. And as a celebrity din, na masasabi kong ang mga celebrities kasi influencer yun. We influence people. And for me, ako tulad ko, I don't post negative things sa social media accounts ko. And gusto ko kasi maka-inspire ng tao. Ma-inspire ko. Ayokong magbigay ng mga negative na mga bagay kasi hindi nakakatulong yun eh. And bilang celebrity at bilang actor, yun yung sa tingin ko na isa sa mga bagay na kailangan kong gawin to influence people and to inspire people, especially the youth.